How to get a voided check from PNC Bank. You can use a physical check. Find your PNC Bank checkbook. Take out a blank check. Write VOID in large letters across the front of the check. Ensure the word covers the check, but leave enough of the check's information visible to readable. Alternatively, you can write VOID in the signature line, the amount box, and the payee line. You can also use online banking. If you don't have a physical checkbook, you can request a voided check or an equivalent document online. For that, download the PNC Bank mobile app, log into your account, then navigate to the account you want to the voided check for. Look for an option such as direct deposit information or account service. Download a direct deposit form which often includes all necessary account information similar to what a voided check provides. You can also visit your nearest PNC bank, speak to a bank representative, and request a voided check or an official document with your account details. They can either print a voided check for you or provide an official letter with your account and routing information. Or you can also call PNC customer service, explain to the representative that you need a voided check or the necessary information for direct deposit. They may mail you a voided check. Thanks for watching.